Kitchen organization hacks, fixing common mistakes the easy way. Life hack, small adjustments, significant outcomes. Discover the transformative power of small changes in your kitchen routine as professional organizers share their most effective habits and hacks for maximizing space efficiency. Life hack, optimize spice storage. Organize your spice jars in a drawer, labeling the tops for quick identification, and consider dating the bottom to ensure freshness. Life hack, make the most of leftovers. Avoid the uncertainty of leftovers by using a dry erase marker to date clear glass containers, ensuring easy tracking and reheating convenience. Life hack, maintain a distinct separation. Maximize kitchen efficiency by assigning dedicated space, such as a waist-height cabinet or drawer, for your frequently used rimmed baking sheets. Life hack, experiment with improvisation. Simplify kitchen organization by utilizing common household items like file separators, metal bookends, and paper plates to create effective and budget-friendly solutions, avoiding the need for elaborate organizing systems. Life hack, arrange your cooking oils. Prevent cabinet messes by placing a shallow plastic tray, plate, or cutting board to contain oil and vinegar bottles, easily washable in the dishwasher. Life hack, organize essential supplies. Streamline your kitchen shelf for efficiency and safety by using trays to group and easily access frequently used items. Life hack, utilize hooks. Optimize cabinet doors for storage by using 3M command hooks to conveniently hang and organize commonly used items. Life hack, evaluate your equipment. Streamline your utensil storage by using a simple system with an empty shoebox or coffee can on the counter. Life hack, maximize the use of Lazy Susans. Enhance refrigerator organization by incorporating a Lazy Susan on a lower shelf, facilitating easy access to items even in the back and preventing the loss of condiments in the depths of the fridge. Life hack, simplify your pantry. Improve snack organization by transferring prepackaged snacks into open-top bins, with the preference for multiple boxes of the same size for different categories. Life hack, increase the height. Optimize cabinet space by utilizing the full height with wire shelves, providing extra capacity for dishware and glassware while maintaining flexibility and preventing underused spots. Life hack, eliminate paperwork clutter. Maintain kitchen order by designating a separate space for mail, bill paying, and other paperwork, emphasizing the importance of regular sorting and immediate decision-making upon mail arrival to prevent clutter accumulation. Life hack, exercise restraint. Simplify your kitchen storage by sticking to one brand of plastic containers for easy stacking and invest in a matching set, and store the lids in a magazine holder to optimize cabinet space. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.